when the war started, I was looking for a place for myself and my children, a safe place. And I believe I found it here in England. As a new person in this country, I try to find a way to communicate with other people, to find a job, find a business, to start to live again, I applied to the program Restart Ukraine. And I was one of the women, Ukrainian women. And we were given a lot of very, very, very good advices and very good instruments like Validate to help us to create our business, to stay on our own feet here in England. I started using Validate when I started this program, and it was my first time I saw the platform itself. It was promoted like a platform to create your own business, from the idea, from the creating the idea, your idea, to the actually business plan. It was very useful, and there are a lot of features in it that is useful even if you don't have any ideas at all. I have the idea, and I had it before I started using the platform. But I wasn't sure that it's a really good idea, or I can manage it actually. I wasn't sure in myself. And this platform is easy to use and help you to understand what you have, what you need to do, what else you can do, how can you see your project from the other side. So yes, it's really helpful to understand your business and how to do it correctly, without like very obvious mistakes. I didn't think about these questions before this platform, but it was very useful to dig in these kind of things too. It's all structured and well prepared now. I would say that you don't have to have a special education. You don't have to be a very qualified in business, in administrative, in management. You receive the instrument that helps you, like, from the very beginning to the very end, understand what you need now, what you need next, what to do next. And all of it, you just build your business like from blocks. This block, next block, next block, next block. And you have only at the beginning, you have only the idea, or maybe you don't have the idea at all, your idea. But at the end, you have idea, the market, who is your client, who is you. When you need to start. And actually, you can combine all of it and prepare a very good business plan.